Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to make color palettes, your own color palette. Now, most of my videos were laser engravers, so I thought I'd kind of throw one out there. Now, you would occasionally need these other colors for color mapping and stuff, but these are your main colors that laser engravers are using is black, red, and I use yellow a lot as far as the yellow box trick. So these are the only colors on my dock or on my page or document. We're going to hit F4, just kind of, there might be something out there. I guess there is. Let's delete it. That's why I use F4 quite a bit. So let's go to Windows, Custom or Color Palettes, go down to Create from Document, and we're going to call it Laser. There's my new laser color palette. And you could always have these colors, but what you could do is go to Windows, Color Palettes, and turn off the RGB, and then you only have black or red. Now you might want to add some shades of gray, but this way, if you wanted to make that thing yellow, make that one red, you don't have all these other colors mixed in there. Now, very easily, you could go to Windows, Dockers, or Color Palette and turn RGB back on, and you have and see the advantage of this, where red and black are right there together, and you could move red up near black or yellow, but all your colors are right there. Anyway, just something else to think about. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.